Hi everyone, happy 4th of July. Well, it's not really 4th of July when you're seeing this, but it's 4th of July today. We are in Disney World for our quick sort of 2-day trip. We are staying at the Port Orleans French Quarter. Let me show you the lobby. It's really, really beautiful. We usually stay at Riverside, but this was such a last minute thing that this is what they had, and it's really, really beautiful. So today we are headed to Epcot and then later Hollywood Studios, so I will bring you along for all of that. And so I will probably check in with you again when we are at Epcot. So this is my dad, Rick, and this is my mother Sheila, who is on the phone texting someone. So they might not pop in the video, they don't a lot, but you will hear them. So just wanted to introduce you. So here we are, and it's slightly crowded, but not terrible. So we are headed to Sauron first today. If you've never been on Sauron, it is very, it's such an incredible ride. Basically, you feel like you're hang gliding over California. So it happens to be our favorite ride at Epcot. So that's where we are going now. Then I think we're going to head to Chess Track. So I'll bring you on the rides I can. Obviously, Sauron I can't, but I'll bring you on as much as I can. So we just finished Sauron, fabulous as always. Now we're headed to Chess Track, but I'm trying to make this beneficial to all of you instead of just more than just showing you my vacation. The biggest thing, if you are a dancer, you have to remember your feet are your life. So despite the fact that you want to look very cute on vacation, or you want to, you know, whatever it is, if you're walking a lot, wear the right shoes. I didn't do that a couple of trips ago in Europe. We were in Europe with my parents and Riley, my best friend. I wore the completely wrong shoes. I had blisters. I put my cute boy out. It was horrible. So if you are on vacation, wear the right shoes. Just be sensible about it. So I had to show you all this. They have a makeup line now at Disney World. Needless to say, I was a bit excited when I saw this. They have like different little nail polish sets. I think this is probably Snow White, it looks like. So they've got just different things. And they've got little makeup bags and some villain items. So I might have to shop this section, and I'll keep you all updated. Okay, so of course I had to get makeup, so let me show you. I got this Tinkerbell palette, and basically it is an eyeshadow palette with 6 eyeshadows. I'm not going to open it right now, but I will insert a photo of that right here. As well as the Tinkerbell nail polish. This is a new, I guess the new makeup line. It's called Beautifully by Disney. And then I got Riley, just to show you another one, I got her also nail polish. They're just the different things, there's like the princesses and Tinkerbell and villains and all of that. So very nice new makeup line. Kind of obsessed with that. So had to show you. So World Showcase time, and believe it or not, guys, it is not crowded. It's the 4th of July, and there is barely anyone around. So we kind of lucked out on that. So, just thought I'd point that out. I can't believe, can we believe how uncrowded it is? I love this country at World Showcase. It's just stunning. Usually, either Alice in Wonderland or Mary Poppins is out, but they're not out today. At least not yet. And then over the bridge to France, which I think we're going to get a cafe au lait. Why we're getting a cafe au lait, I don't know. It's about 100 degrees, but I think we can get it iced. Don't know if they have those in France, but we can try. So we're eating at this little boulangerie place in France for lunch, and I'm not even sure what this is called, but it's basically bread and cheese, so I'm happy. That's goat cheese, Parmesan, and Swiss, and Mom got the cheese pulled. So, and Dad got this too. So we're very happy. So So my absolute favorite store in Disney World is the Qurba Boutique in Paris, in Epcot. It's got everything in it. It's got all the perfume, as I mentioned to all of you. I wear Shalimar, so let's go in and see what we can get. All the perfume.
Just come in here.
There's beautiful. So we just spent an hour and a half in the Qurba Boutique at Epcot. You think that we could get that makeup other places, but for some reason it's the best there. So that's where we've been for the last hour and a half. So now we're going to finish the rest of World Showcase. Now we are coming up on the American Pavilion, and because it's the 4th of July, I thought I'd show you what's happening. They're having a little concert over here. We're at the bus stop waiting to go to Hollywood Studios. And I think we're going to have to wait quite a while. I'm kidding, there's nobody here. There's been really nobody here this whole day. It hasn't been that bad. So we're headed to the Hollywood Studios. We have a Fantasmic dinner package at the Brown Derby, which means if you eat at certain restaurants, they will save your place to sit for the Fantasmic show. So that's where we're headed now. So I will see you there. So we made it. And again, not crowded. 4th of July weekend, hottest month of the year, and nobody is here. Really great. So we are headed up Main Street. My father got held back at security. Uh-oh. He thinks he's a terrorist. U.S. Naval Academy grad. They think he's a terrorist. So we're just going to walk around a bit and then go to dinner. There is the big hat. If you haven't ever been here before, it's a giant sorcerer's hat. So I will check in with you in a bit. So this is the Hollywood Brown Derby, where we are eating this evening. It's basically modeled after the famous Hollywood Brown Derby in Hollywood, where all the famous old classic movie stars eat. So this is where we're eating. So here is the appetizer. As I said, it's a 3-course all-included appetizer. So this is a prawn with cheddar grits and wilted greens, and also the most amazing bread. And this is so good we all 3 got it. So that is the appetizer. Here are the entrees. I got the chicken with the puree, the avocado puree, and chorizo. Mom got the Cobb salad, and Papa got, what did you get? Pork tenderloin. Looks delicious. So here's the dessert. It comes in 3 little sections, and you can choose. I chose the grapefruit cake, the banana toffee cake, and the little chocolate round. Mom got the classic big grapefruit cake, and Dad got the same thing I did. So this looks very, very good. So we just finished our dinner at the Brown Derby. It was excellent. As I told you all in the, I believe it was the Summer Course Survival video, I am a 3 meals a day kind of person. So are my parents. So we were able to really just do 2 smaller meals and have a nice dinner at the Brown Derby without feeling completely stuffed and completely just, you know, flattened by the experience. So I will be doing a diet video at some point. I haven't quite figured out how I'm going to do it yet, but that will be coming in the future. But I just wanted to show you all that. I just, you know, have no problem showing you what I'm eating. So I hope you all benefit from that video once it's up. And if you are ever in Disney Hollywood Studios, go to the Brown Derby. You will not be disappointed. So we are now headed to the Indiana Jones Stunt Spectacular. We see it every time we come. It's very, very entertaining. So I will hopefully include some footage of that. Is this place? I mean,
that's what he meant. For me to wait for you. Good thing I brought her.
The most clever decor ever. Lincoln Law, or whatever these are called. I'm not sure what those are called.
Try those.
No, they're the same.
I don't want you to have any excuses. Yeah, for a low score.
She's ready. I won. I beat Mom, but Dad won. Dad did better than we did. Oh man. So I actually won. Yay! I won with 129,000. That's probably not very good, but that's okay. So here's a fun little thing. There's a coffee place called Joffrey's here at the Hollywood Studios. Seems appropriate, so we're getting bottles of water. So our last stop of the day is Fantasmic. Great, fantastic, phantasmic show. Fireworks spectacle, etc. I'll try and get some footage in here for all of you, but it's just a really great show.